What is this new trend, Vana? When did it appear, and how does it look like, according to your experience, this freelancing?
First of all, I would like to share my experience as a freelancer, that it's not something frightening. So if somebody hears now the podcast, not to be frightened, because it's something for me very interesting, a new world. But the truth is that in recent years, there has been a huge trend, I could say, towards a more adaptable workforce. So there is a huge rise of freelancing and very high skilled professionals that prefer this type of working outside of the companies. This change can be attributed to various factors, I could say. First of all, the advancement of technology. Technology now it's the top priority for everybody. And technology can allow